Hi friends, welcome to Math Guru. In this video, we are going to learn about sequence of real numbers, short note IIT Jam Mathematics. Firstly, some basic formulas of indeterminate forms and its limits. It can be solved using L hospital rule, but it is easy to learn and very useful in problem solving. And don't get confused with limit and limit points. They are different. Limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by n whole raised to n equal to e. Limit n tends to 0, 1 plus n whole raised to 1 by n equal to e. Limit n tends to infinity, n raised to 1 by n, that is nth root of n equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by x equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, log 1 plus x divided by x equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, cos x minus 1 whole divided by x equal to 1. Limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus a equal to n, a raised to n minus 1. Limit x tends to a raised to n minus 1 divided by x equal to log n. Limit n tends to infinity, r whole raised to 1 by n equal to 1 as r greater than 0. Limit n tends to infinity, 1 by n raised to p equal to 0, comma, p greater than 0. Limit n tends to infinity, r raised to n equal to 0, given that mod r less than 1. Limit n tends to infinity, c a n equal to c into limit n tends to infinity a n, where c is a constant. If every neighborhood of a point contains infinite members of a sequence, then that point is called limit point of the sequence. The least limit point of a n is called limit inferior and denoted by, and the greatest limit point of n is called limit superior and denoted by. Classification of sequence using limit inferior and limit superior. If limit inferior equal to limit superior is a finite value, implies the sequence is convergent, and limit inferior equal to limit superior infinite value, then the sequence is divergent, and limit superior and limit inferior are different, then the sequence is oscillatory. Monotonic bounded sequence converges. An tends to a, bn tends to b, then an plus bn tends to a plus b, an dot bn tends to a dot b, and n less than or equal to bn for all n greater than m, then a less than or equal to b. Limit an equal to L and n not equal to 0 for all n, and if L not equal to 0, then 1 by an tends to 1 by n, and mod an tends to mod L. Limit n tends to infinity, an equal to infinity if and only if limit n tends to infinity, 1 by an equal to 0. If a sequence is bounded, then every subsequence of is bounded. If a sequence of converges to L, then every subsequence converges to L. If the subsequence a2n and a2n plus 1 converges to same point, that is the sequence of terms of even numbers and sequence of terms of odd numbers converges to same point, then the sequence is also converging to the same point. Mod an minus am less than epsilon whenever n greater than m is called Cauchy sequence. And Cauchy sequence is bounded and convergent, and a sequence is convergent if and only if Cauchy. All convergent sequences are Cauchy and all Cauchy sequence converges. Limit n tends to infinity, an equal to L, then limit n tends to infinity, a1 plus a2 plus etc plus an whole divided by n equal to n. That is the arithmetic mean of first n terms tends to L as n tends to infinity, and limit n tends to infinity, a1 dot a2 dot etc dot an whole raised to 1 by n. That is the geometric mean of first n term tends to L as n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity, a n plus 1 divided by a n equal to n and L greater than 0, then the limit n tends to infinity, a n all raised to n, that is the nth root of a n equal to L. L hospital rule. It's the most important rule finding the limit of indeterminate form. F of x divided by g of x is indeterminate, then the limit can be obtained evaluating the limit of quotient of the derivative of f of x and g of x, that is f dash of x by g dash of x. If the result is indeterminate, the procedure can be repeated until we get rid of indeterminate form and the limit is equal to all indeterminate forms that contain that found by using by this. Stolt-Cesaro theorem. A and Bn two sequence of real numbers and Bn is positive, strictly increasing and unbounded, then the limit exists like limit n tends to infinity an minus 1 divided by bn minus 1 equal to L, then limit n tends to infinity an by bn equal to L. Sandwich theorem. A and B and Cn three sequence of real numbers. An less than or equal to Bn less than or equal to Cn for all n greater than n belongs to natural numbers and limit an equal to L equal to limit Cn, that is an and Cn converges to same point, then Bn also converges to L. The ratio test. Limit n tends to infinity un by un plus 1 equal to L, then the sequence un converges to 0 if L greater than 1, diverges to infinity if L less than 1, and test fails if L equal to 1. If I missed something important in this video, please mention in the comments and I will attach a video based on that.